Hello everyone and welcome to my video presentation. I've been working on a number of things as it relates to my science project. Just a little background on my project. Um, this will be a science teaching unit uh, for students in the third grade who are in general education classes, as well as those who have IEPs. And the topic that I'll be focusing on is inheritance and variation of traits, life cycle, and traits. And so I did a number of things as it relates to my project. First, I had created a web page that gives like an intro, talks about what the project entails and who the project is for and what are the things that are going to be taking place in the project. And then on that web page I created different links, just links that are related to the standards that will be focused on for the unit, and also different links that it gives, for example, an intro for an activity that the students will be doing before they go to the Google Classroom. And also there's an assessment of skills page, which later on I'm going to change that to more of like a questionnaire, just to get some feedback about how the website works. So that's still a work in progress. And then I also created the Google Classroom page that will hold the content for the project. On that page, I created some sub headings. For example, the project-based learning, which will have the information and the concepts that are going to be learned. And then also science simulation, science resources, and then lastly the assessment. And I think I'm going to add some more subtopics, but right now these are the ones I'm working with. So that's basically it. And also I had gone ahead and created some science challenge questions in a Google form that the students will be completing as well. So for the most part, I'm actually using the Google Sites, the Google Classroom, and, for example, the Google Form. Or Google Forms rather. So that's basically it in terms of the update for my project. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a good evening.